Can. He can play the guitar. He can play the guitar. Must. They must do their work. They must do their work. Should. I should go now. I should go now. Will. We will meet at 5. We will meet at 5. May. She may be tired. She may be tired. Can. She can help her brother. She can help her brother. Can. I can swim well. I can swim well. Must. You must be careful. You must be careful. Should. He should study tonight. He should study tonight. Will. She will call you later. She will call you later. May. It may snow tomorrow. It may snow tomorrow. Must. We must try harder. We must try harder. Can. They can dance together. They can dance together. Must. I must wake up early. I must wake up early. Should. You should wear a hat. You should wear a hat. Will. He will fix the car. He will fix the car. May. She may join the team. She may join the team. Should. We should clean the room. We should clean the room. Can. She can speak French. She can speak French. Must. You must finish this today. You must finish this today. Should. I should eat less sugar. I should eat less sugar. Will. They will visit us soon. They will visit us soon. May. It may be too late. It may be too late. Can. He can lift that box. He can lift that box. Can. I can read this book. I can read this book. Must. He must wear a uniform. He must wear a uniform. Should. You should drink water. You should drink water. Will. We will go tomorrow. We will go tomorrow. May. It may be dangerous. It may be dangerous. Should. She should stay home. She should stay home. Can. They can play outside. They can play outside. Must. I must study for the test. I must study for the test. Should. He should take a break. He should take a break. Will. She will help us. She will help us. May. You may like this movie. You may like this movie. Can. We can win the game. We can win the game. Can. She can ride a bike. She can ride a bike. Must. You must not forget. You must not forget. Should. I should call him. I should call him. Will. They will bring snacks. They will bring snacks. May. It may get cold. It may get cold. Must. He must try again. He must try again. Can. He can draw animals. He can draw animals. Must. She must go now. She must go now. Should. We should leave soon. We should leave soon. Will. I will see you later. I will see you later. May. They may come with us. They may come with us. Can. You can ask questions. You can ask questions. Can. I can help you. I can help you. Must. They must clean the house. They must clean the house. Should. He should wear a coat. He should wear a coat. Will. She will bake a cake. She will bake a cake. May. It may be true. It may be true. Should. You should try again. You should try again. Can. We can take the bus. We can take the bus. Must. I must be ready by 8. I must be ready by 8. Should. She should read more books. She should read more books. Will. They will leave soon. They will leave soon. May. He may stay home. He may stay home. Can. You can use my phone. You can use my phone. Can. She can jump high. She can jump high. Must. You must listen carefully. You must listen carefully. Should. We should go outside. We should go outside. Will. I will write a letter. I will write a letter. May. It may be too loud. It may be too loud. Must. He must not be late. He must not be late. Can. He can speak Spanish. He can speak Spanish. Must. She must bring her ID. She must bring her ID. Should. I should visit Grandma. I should visit Grandma.